Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Your window trucks and your carpet trucks, they're not, are they the same, or it's different equipment, different vehicles?
They're different. Yeah, carpet cleaning vehicles, you have to have certain, you have small powered engines inside of them that create suction and vacuum and pressure. Windows, we don't need that, but we do equip our carpet vans to do windows, but our window vans don't do carpets because they need those machinery. So we do send specific vehicles out there to take care of that for you, because we need to come in with hoses and get to those spots so that we can put down our pure water and stuff of that sort and get it cleaned and agitate and extract all those contaminants.
What kind of reach do you have with the hoses?
We can get up to 250 feet. Any farther than that, you need some more powerful machines, but you can get up there to 350 feet of access. Usually most of the homes, when we're accessing, we can find a spot to park where you're within 150, 200 feet to your farthest piece of carpet.
Yeah, because you could come in from multiple sides if there's access to the backyard.
Yeah, we come in through the back door, the garage door, the front door, where it needs to be. And we're going to make sure, we'll find the right route, the technicians will, and make sure it's right.
And you can get up to a second story.
Yes, second story through balconies on apartments and things of that sort as well. So we have many ways of accessing it and getting it clean for you.
You said there's seasons in Arizona, and we're getting to our cleaning season as we're getting to the end of our monsoons and our dust. We had a huge dust storm at our house last night. Getting to the end of that, getting clean and back into the rhythm with school.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.